Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. We're here at what I believe is going to be the most iconic brand new high school, Compton High School. It makes me wish I was still in high school. Actually, kind of not really. Anyways, we're here. We're going to start setting up for the inaugural welcome ceremony that's taking place tomorrow. We're setting up some shading area for our VIPs, some catering areas, along with a couple other surprises, including a main stage where Dr. Dre will be giving us our blessing for this new high school. Cannot wait for you to see what the end result looks like, so stay tuned and follow me along. All right, we're getting there, folks. It's turning out to be a very, very hot May. And of course, installation day, today is gonna be the record-setting heat day. Tomorrow, temperatures cool down, so lucky us. But we're almost there. Our tent is already up. We got 3 out of 4 panels up. We're gonna get ready to raise the tent, and we're gonna install the last skin once the tent is up in the air, just because we have a tree on the other opposite side. Nonetheless, we're almost there. We're sweating it out, but here we are. Make sure you stay tuned to the very end. We have some shade. Hallelujah, praise baby Jesus. And the girl one too. If you know where that reference is from, you're cool. Tent is up. We have our last vinyl skin just to go up. Our other team is setting up the VIP area. They're wrapping up the final details as well. And we have a smaller team doing the catering tent right behind the trucks. All in all, we're making good progress. We're almost there. I cannot wait to see the setup, primarily because I want to go home. It's really, really hot, but we're almost there. Stay tuned. Stage is set. A lot of little last minute changes, a lot of last minute just additions. It's a very important event. A lot of VIPs. Dr. Dre's gonna be here with special guests. We want to make sure that everything is set accordingly, and obviously we want to please our clients. Nonetheless, we're almost there. A couple more hours to go. Follow along. Am I late? Did I make it to class in time? All jokes aside, this is an incredibly beautiful campus. Honestly, if I came here to school now, I probably would have paid a little more attention in school, but nonetheless, happy to be part of it by setting up for the new Compton High School ribbon ceremony cutting. please consider subscribing. And as always, like, comment down below. Let me know what your high school looked like. Where did you go to high school? Did you pay attention in this class? I did to an extent, but you know how that goes. Anyways, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.